Hi all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to look into the 10 stocks picked by ICICI Securities, which would give us very good returns in the next 1 year. So we'll get in and see which are those 10 stocks picked by ICICI Securities and a quick review of it. So let's get started. So the stock price is as of 16th October 2019. First one on the list is Bandhan Bank. Its current share price is 594 rupees. The 52-week low is 368, whereas the high is 638. The industry PE is 37, whereas the company PE is 32. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 10, whereas the debt to equity is 3.91. The TTM EPS is 18. The promoter holding is 82%. It is a bit more for the bank. It should be less than 40. The mutual fund investment into the stock is 906 crores by many mutual fund schemes, and returns. This came into stock market around 2.5 years ago, so we only have 1 year return here, which is 32%. So even in this bad market, like there's a lot of volatility. It goes down one day, it goes high one day, but this has given us a return of 32% for 1 year. And this stock I had made in my wealth creating pick one of this video, which I had made in the wealth creation video, so y'all can check out that full review on my channel. I would also link it in the description below so that you all can check out this stocks review. Next one on the list is Ultratech Cement. Its current share price is 4,276 rupees. The 52-week low is 3,260, whereas the high is 4,904. The industry PE is 34, whereas the company PE is 38. The PB is 4. The ROCE is 10, whereas the debt to equity is 0.80. The TTM EPS is 109. The promoter holding is 61%. 6,352 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns for 1 year it has given us a return of 13%, for 3 years 1.38%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 11%. Next one on the list is Larsen Toubro. Its current share price is 1,426 rupees. The 52-week low is 1,182, whereas the high is 1,607. The industry PE is 30, whereas the company PE is 27. The PB is 3. The ROCE is 13, whereas the debt to equity is 1.97. The TTM EPS is 65. The promoter holding here it is 0 because there are no promoters holding the stock. And mutual fund investment into the stock is 37,364 crores, and returns for 1 year it is given us a return of 17%, for 3 years 13%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of 8%. Next one on the list is Siemens. Its current share price is 1,609, whereas the 52-week low is 852, whereas the high is 1,618. The industry PE is 65, whereas the company PE is 55. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 17, whereas the debt to equity is 0.00, which means there's no debt with this company. The TTM EPS is 29. The promoter holding is 75%. 3,029 crores has been invested in the stock by many mutual fund schemes, and returns 1 year it has given us a return of 70%, for 3 years 9%, and for 5 years it has given us a return of 14%. Next one on the list is NMDC. Its current share price is 101. The 52-week low is 74, whereas the high is 120. The industry PE is 10, whereas the company PE is 6. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 28, whereas the debt to equity is 0.01. The TTM EPS is 15. The promoter holding is 72%. Mutual fund investment into the stock is 427 crores, and returns the all 1, 3, and 5 year returns are in negative. For 1 year it is given us a return of minus 10%, for 3 years minus 4%, and for 5 years it is given us a return of minus 7%. Next one on the list is Greenlam Industries. Its current share price is 870 rupees. The 52-week low is 652, whereas the high is 1034. The industry PE is 22, whereas the company PE is 30. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 18, whereas the debt to equity is 0.63. The TTM EPS is 29. The promoter holding is 54%. The mutual fund investment into the stock is 292 crores and returns. The 1 year return is negative, which is minus 5%, and for 3 years it is given us a positive but not a good return. It's just given us only a return of 1%. In 5 year, we don't have 5 year return here because it just came into stock market around 3.5 years, 4 years ago. So we only have 1 and 3 years return. Next one on the list is TVS Motor. Its current share price is 411 rupees. The 52-week low is 338, whereas the high is 586. The industry PE is 18, whereas the company PE is 29. The PB is 5. The ROCE is 23, whereas the debt to equity is 0.42. The TTM EPS is 14. The promoter holding is 57%. 3,080 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. The 1 year return is negative, which is minus 22%. 3 and 5 year returns are positive, but the 3 year return is just 1.60%. And for 5 years, it is given as a return of 12%. Next one on the list is Galaxy Surfactants. Its current share price is 1,453 rupees. The 52-week low is 871, whereas the high is 1,520. The industry PE is 43, whereas the company PE is 31. The PB is 6. The ROCE is 30, whereas the debt to equity is 0.20. The TTM EPS is 46. Promoter holding is 70%. 555 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. We only have 1 year return here, which is given us 23%. Next one on the list is Dabur India. Its current share price is 455 rupees. The 52-week low is 357, whereas the high is 469. The industry PE is 62.63, whereas the company PE is 62.15. The PB is 20. The ROCE is 28, whereas the debt to equity is 0.12. The TTM EPS is 8. The promoter holding is 67%. 2,709 crores has been invested into the stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given as a return of 13%. For 3 years, it is given as a return of 17%. And for 5 years, it is given as a return of 16%. Next one and the last one on the list is JB Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. Its current share price is 360 rupees. The 52-week low is 272, whereas the high is 411. The industry PE is 27, whereas the company PE is 14. The PB is 1. The ROCE is 17, whereas the debt to equity is 0.02. The TTM EPS is 24. The promoter holding is 56%. 382 crores has been invested into this stock by many mutual fund schemes and returns. For 1 year, it is given as a return of 19%. For 3 years, minus 3%, it is negative. And for 5 years, it is positive and given a return of 9%. So these are the 10 stocks picked by ICICI Securities, which they feel would give us good return in next 1 year. So if at all you want to invest in any of these stocks, please do your research and then start investing, as this is not a stock recommendation from our side. I just wanted to let you all know what all ICICI Securities have picked for investment for the next 1 year. So as I always say, start thinking and happy investing. Thank you for watching the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified as we upload a new video. All the information provided in this channel is only for general guidance and educational purpose. Don't consider this as a recommendation from our side. Please do your own research or seek a financial advisor prior to investing. You can follow us even on Facebook and Twitter. Thank you.